Let's make a chocolate hojicha latte. So first, we need this, yung hojicha powder. Nabili ko to sa Shopee and mas mura to compared sa ibang nakikita ko na around 350 pesos yung price point. By the way, gagamit tayo ng 12-ounce cup. So, yung ratio natin will be 1 tablespoon of hojicha powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Make sure na full tablespoon yung lalagay nyo. And then a little water. Lagyan na natin ng ice. And then for the chocolate drink, I'm using yung NutriBoost, pero you can choose any chocolate drink of your choice. Masarap din yung oat side na chocolate.